is reserved. Yeah. And name of the mount point that we want to use. We can use a mount point of Shahid or choice. What do we create? We're creating a mount point to connect this new file system to the root of the. Let's call it lab 1. Okay? So I created lab 1. I created a mount point called lab 1. The command to mount a file system is mount. And the device file for file system we just created is sdb1 /device /sdb1, and the name of the mount point is lab1. So the mount command, name or the name where the file system was created. df command is with -a, and the last entry here shows that a file system in the tab for the new file system.
To add it to the file we're gonna create later.
Okay, the UUID of SDB1 file system is here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this information. The last step.
Okay, why you serve the
Because we want to know the UUID of SDB1.
No, I mean why this?
Because this open up a line and paste UUID equals the UUID which we copied from the command. So this is the first column. In the next column, we say the mount point, which is /lab1. Right? Then the type of file system is ext4. Accept all the defaults. We don't want this file system to be sync or check 00.
Yeah.
Open the file, go to the last line, and add this line. This is
This
the
file has anything before?
yes.
How do you paste the UI from that?
Paste. Copy paste.
How do you copy paste?
If you're using a terminal, then just highlight it.
And if
It
you
is
use
copied.
it,
And if you're using your console screen, then highlight that entry and then edit, copy.
no, I'm using the SSH.
Yeah, right click that. Copy it, then simply highlight it.
Yeah, 00.
Yeah.
Go to the bottom.
Just
Press O. Okay, the first 0 is to it tells the at boot time if this file system at shutdown if any information for this file system which is still in memory needs to be written to the file system or not. 0 means no, 1 means yes. Since this is a test file system, we say 0, but it should be set to 1. And the second 0 means that do not check this file system at system reboot.
And what?
At system reboot, do not check this file system. Now make sure the entries are correct in this file or your system will not boot up.
But it will not mount that entry.
No, it will not boot up the system. Make sure that the entries are
so let's say we make a mistake and we reboot and your system doesn't reboot. There's any way that we can change the browser?
lab 1. If you want to manually unmount the file system, umount is the command. Umount and name of the mount point. Umount slash lab1 will unmount it.
So when we reboot the system again, it will reboot.
It will automatically do. FDISK file system structure in our first 100 megabyte partition. Now, in order to treat or use as a physical volume, we're going to create a volume group. On my system, I have SDB3 of 500 megabytes. So I am using the pd create command to initialize that partition for use in LVM. Okay. Rolando? Run this command and it says physical volume SDB3 successfully created. But if you want to see more information what's going in the background, use the -v option with the command. It shows it produces more output. Set a physical volume for tab SDB3 with 100
VG test.
VG test. We don't need to supply any options. We want to stick to the default option. Right. So VG create and then specify name. Oh, what was the problem with this command? Yes, it is. It is 496 megabyte disk space taken from that physical volume, and now it's part of the volume group. Command on VG test, and it shows me more information about this empty, the new empty volume. Okay, it shows that there is one physical volume. What size logical volume we want to create from the pool of 500 megabytes? Let's use 100 megabytes. Okay, farmers. We're creating out of 500 megabytes physical volume, which means the size of the logical volume will be 100 megabytes. Minus n. What name do we want to give this logical volume? Minus n name for the logical volume. Let's call it LB test. VG test, LB test. And then what is missing?
VG test.
The name of the volume group. VG test. Okay. So this command line means create a logical volume of size 100 megabytes with name LB test in the VG test volume group. Create it. And what is the device file name for this logical volume? Now we're not going to run any commands on SDB3, no. We're not going to run any command on VG test. We're going to need the device file name for the logical volume that we have just created. So mkfs minus e xfs slash that slash VG test slash LB test. Slash device is device. VG test, name of the volume group, and the name of the logical volume. So with the lsblt command, we can figure out the type of LB logical volume. Okay, done. Now notice that the output here, lab2. Okay, so mkdir lab2 file system created, and now we're going to mount it. Again, the same command mount, and use the device file that we specified with the So we're going to use this device file and not the SDB3. /dev/vgtest/lb test and the name of the mount point, logical volume LB test, 97 megabyte in size, is mounted on lab 2 right now. I use the device file name and not the UUID because this device file name will not change.
I reboot my system after the first command.
Did you not boot it?
I rebooted.
Yeah, because the error was wrong. Any problem in this file, your system will not boot.
So I have now to
You have to fix it. Go back to chapter number 8. Read the chapter. There is a solution in that chapter.
I will go now.
So your system is rebooted to single user mode, right? Open this file up, vi space/etc/fs with this command. Open this file up, go to that entry, and you need to fix that entry or just copy it. Sometimes and df minus h. I see that lab 1 and lab 2 are both